If you think you know WordPress inside out, think again. Most users are only scratching the surface of what WordPress can actually do. Today, I'll show you 7 hidden WordPress features that are sitting right under your nose, but barely anyone talks about them. Whether you're a blogger, a developer, or managing multiple websites, these features will help you work faster, smarter, and with way less friction. So let's get into it. The first one, WordPress Multisite. One dashboard, many sites. Let's kick off with something powerful, Multisite. Imagine managing multiple websites, blogs, or client portals all from a single WordPress installation. Yup, no need to log into 10 dashboards separately. WordPress Multisite lets you run a whole network of websites from a single admin panel. So if you're an agency, a university, managing department sites, or even just someone with a lot of side projects, this one's for you. And guess what? It's completely free. Number 2, the built-in image editor. Next up, image editing right inside WordPress. No more switching to external tools for quick fixes. When you upload an image to your media library, click Edit Image and you'll find options to crop, rotate, flip, and scale. It's especially handy for content creators who just want to get the job done without downloading or paying for extra software. You won't be designing banners here, but for last week's, it's gold. The third one, scheduling your posts even when you're sleeping. Here's one of the most underused but incredibly valuable feature, post scheduling. Let's say you're working late at night, but you want your blog to go live tomorrow morning. Instead of hitting publish, you just set the exact date and time, and WordPress will do it for you. It's a lifesaver for content consistency. You stay ahead on your content calendar and keep your audience engaged without scrambling at the last minute. Number 4, sticky posts. Pin what matters the most. Have an announcement or evergreen content that shouldn't get buried? Use sticky posts. This feature lets you pin any post to the top of your blog, no matter how old that is. Perfect for event announcements, welcome posts, or special promotions. All you need to do is check the stick to the top of the blog option in the post settings, and that's it. It stays up until you say otherwise. Number 5, comment moderation rules. Keep it clean. Comments can be a blessing or a curse, depending on how you manage them. Thankfully, WordPress has a comment moderation system that lets you filter spam and hold comments for review. You can even set rules like holding comments with certain words, too many links, or from users who haven't commented before. So whether you're running a blog, a community site, or just want to avoid bots, you're in control of what gets published. Number 6, hidden admin links, your secret shortcut. Ever noticed that while you're logged in, you can jump straight from a page to its editor? All you have to do is add /wp-admin at the end of any URL while logged in, and you'll land right inside the editor for that post or page. Let's say you're reading a blog post or on your site and you want to make a change. Just add that suffix and you're there. No need to hunt through the backend. It's a small trick that can save you serious amount of time. And the last feature of today, number 7, QuickEdit. Speed through changes. Lastly, say hello to QuickEdit. You'll find it under every post title in the dashboard. Click it and you can instantly update titles, categories, slugs, status, and even tags, all without opening the full post editor. It's perfect when you're batch editing or managing a lot of posts at once. There you have it, 7 hidden WordPress features that most users miss, but pros swear by. These aren't flashy tricks, they're real, time-saving, workflow-enhancing features built right into WordPress. So, which one are you going to try out first? Let me know in the comments below. And hey, If you like this breakdown, consider subscribing for more WordPress insights, tutorials, and tools that you can actually use. This is WP Manage Ninja, and we'll see you in the next one.